Tired of bending down to reach your freezer? Introducing the Haier 325L bottom mount refrigerator. Enjoy the convenience of a bottom freezer with the Jucknamat design. No more back strain. This Haier refrigerator features a convertible 14-in-1 design, a digital display panel, and a triple inverter for optimal performance. With its frost-free operation, triple inverter technology, and twist ice maker, this refrigerator offers superior convenience and efficiency. Benefit from greater energy efficiency, less noise, and long-lasting performance thanks to the triple inverter compressor, backed by a 10-year warranty. Get yours today and experience the ultimate in cooling and convenience. Check the first comment to buy now.